Buyers showing activity is down 2.3%, while more inventory came to the market this past week. It's Friday, June 12, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. 14% more properties hit the market over the past week, rising to 2,734 units this report. The median list price for these active listings rose to $450,000. Coming soon properties fell 9.2% to 1,553 units at a $480,000 median list price. New contracts rose slightly to 1,781 properties in 14 days, falling to a median list price of $439,000. 1,298 properties sold in 11 days at a 100% list to sold ratio and at a median sold price of $465,000. 3,227 active rentals with the median list price rose to $2,595 per month. It's taking about 31 days for a rental property to go to lease. Are you curious about housing values in your area? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 12th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week.